So in this era of AI, this next sneak aims to bring more transparency around how content is made and who made it. Here to show you project know-how is Shruti Agarwal.
Hi, everyone. Have you ever found yourself scrolling online, wondering, where did this image come from? Is it AI generated or a deep fake? Or where can I find more images like this? And that's where we can use content credentials. For those who don't know what content credentials are, they are like a nutrition label for your digital content. Content credentials, which are embedded as secure metadata into your images, are getting adopted increasingly, but still, it's not visible on every social media platform and content platform like this one. And that's where we can use the new Adobe Content Authenticity Chrome browser extension that uncovers content credentials even on web pages that don't show metadata today. Content credentials get this durability by using a combination of metadata, invisible watermarking, and fingerprinting technology. So now I see that there is a CR pin on this artwork. That means content credentials are applied on it. If I really like this artwork, and if I want to know more about it, I can click on this CR pin and then click on the Inspect button. That will take me to the Content Authenticity Inspect web page, where we can see that this artwork is created by our favorite artist, Michael Fugoso, using Adobe Illustrator. Isn't that cool? So this Chrome browser extension is available for public beta right now, and the Adobe Content Authenticity web app is going to be in public beta really soon, and we'll be able to sign our content with content credentials using this app. I'm really excited for that to happen. So let's start our sneak. What else can we imagine with content credentials? What if we want to know how our videos and physical art is created? With Project Know-How, we are imagining this future for content credentials. Let me demonstrate with an example. So I found this video online that I really like, and I would love to license it for my work. And for this, I'm looking for the original link for this video. With Project Know-How's video fingerprinting technology, I can get the information about the original video within seconds. So this is because content credential was applied on, oops, it crashed. That's good. I'll just start it again.
Let's clap! Yeah, crash! Everyone take a drink!
So now, this is because content credentials were applied to the original video. I can find the original content credentials, where I have the link to the original video on Adobe Stock, where this will help me license it, all thanks to content credentials. So let me demonstrate another example. So my friend is looking for the original video for his vacation, and all he has got is this 8-second long edited version. No worries. I'm glad that my friend applied content credentials to the original video. So just by using this 8-second clip, we will wait again. I can get to something. I can get to the 1 minute, 50-second long video just by using this 8-second clip. Isn't that cool? So not only this, I can also analyze these two videos. I can see that my 8-second clip lies at the 38-second mark in the longer video. And also, I can see the difference between the two clips. So let me show. Highlighted on the bottom row is the difference between the two clips, where I see that one of the kid in the original video was removed in the query video. I wonder why that would be. So even though this is a fun example, I can totally see this technology being used for more important applications like identifying deepfakes or other digitally altered videos. Isn't that going to be useful in this era? Yeah, totally. So now we have seen how content credentials can be applied on images and how they can be applied on videos. What about our physical world? Do you remember the artwork that I really liked from before? I have a poster for that artwork here. And this is for my office. So I would love that anyone who's viewing this poster would have an easier way to find out that Michael Fugoso created it. What if they did? So with Project Know-How, I have this camera, live camera over here.
Oh.
And if an image pops up on the right-hand side, that means it has content credentials in it.
Wow.
So let's just try out this. Oh, there you go. With Project Know-How's invisible watermarking technology, we can detect content credentials even on images that are printed on physical objects. When we have, yeah, that's super cool. So now, when we know the content credentials, we know the drill. We go to inspect website, where we can see, we can see that artist Michael Fugoso created it again. Yeah, that's super cool. And not only on this poster, I have a few objects here. So this mug, that has a lot of radial distortion on it and a lot of reflection. Let's see if we can identify content credentials on this. Let me point my camera again, just reminding that whenever the image shows up, that means that content credentials are detected in this image. Yeah, here we go. Again, we can go to the inspect website and see. Again, it is Michael Fugoso again. And not only this, I have an image with content credentials on my tote bag with grainy texture and a lot of warping. Let's hope this one works. Oh, here you go. I can see that content credentials are still identified in this tote bag. It hasn't been easier to get credit for your work. With these advances in content credentials and Project Know-How, we aim to build transparency anywhere and on anything, so that we can decide what we trust and we can get recognized for our work no matter where it goes. Thank you.
Amazing. Let's give it up for Shruti one more time.
Yes, love that.
Thank you.
I think she's a fan of Michael Fugoso for sure.